Oh train, I know everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Oh train, each time you pass you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear rusty wheels scrape against a rail, they cry with every mile, and I guess I'll stay a while. Well, train, and I miss you at the mile, and I miss the freedom that was mine. Oh, train, when I think about those times, I smile at your highballing by. Oh, train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear your rusty wheels scrape against a rail, they cry with every mile, and I guess I'll stay a while.
Hey Bluegrass fans, Ron Hibdon. Another Bluegrass barn session. Today I'm going to show you how to play the Tony Rice song Old Train. I played it at the beginning of this video. Few missed notes, few missed words, but we'll go over it note by note so that you'll learn how to play it and you'll learn how to do it better than I do. So I want to take this opportunity to thank all my fans who got onto the Bluegrass barn and liked it and left the really nice comments. I really appreciate it, I do. So with that, let's get started. Okay, to get started, I first want to say that Tony Rice plays the song in the key of F. I'm capoed here into the key of E. It fits my voice better, but if you sing like Tony Rice, you can definitely bring it up to where he really plays it at. This is the key of F. Now, the notes that I'm using are a lot of the same note progression that I use in my video lesson in the key of D. So if I was to take this capo off, I'd be in the key of D, playing in the key of D. Doing the same notes progression, but we're capoed up into the key of E or key of F if you like, and using the same type of notes. Okay, so just want to state that fact. He does play it in F. I play it in better for my voice if I play it in E. So to start off the first section of the song, start here with a little finger, pinky finger is what I use, and on the 5th string or 5th fret, it's a pull on. Now notice my right hand, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'll probably say that in every video I make. So important that you learn how to do that to really pick well. second part is a harmonic moving to the key of F, or in the F progression, and it goes like this. Down, up, open string. Down, up, down, open in. Okay? Now the next part of this riff, it slides down, so it goes. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Open head, open head. So starting from the beginning. Okay, I hope everybody got that. Do it real slow one more time. Okay, now the next section is, let me start here. Open, pull off. You can pull that on or you can hit it. I usually just roll it up. Okay, then the second part. So it's so I'll do it slow. I'm sorry. Okay, and then the last part is okay, so I'm sorry. Again. Okay, we're moving from the fifth string, fifth fret, third string, all the way down to the third string, second fret. You can see that stretch. Okay, so that's the first part of the song. We'll go from the beginning. Alrighty, so that is the first part of the song. That's where the singing comes in.
Oh, train, I know everywhere you go, and I won't be jumping on again. Oh, train, I know everywhere you go, and I won't what lies beyond each bend. Oh, train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear your rusty wheels scrape against the rail. They cry with every mile, and I guess I'll stay a while.
Then give that little G run right there. So then it goes back into the beginning of the song. Okay. So after that first lyric line, like I said, it goes into that run.
So I guess I'll stay a while.
Okay. Now we're going into the kind of the lead picking part of the song, and I'm playing the lead parts of all the instruments. Usually there's a mandolin in there and a fiddle that's taken some of these sections that I'm going to show you on the guitar. If you're playing by yourself, you just do your own thing on the guitar, and that's what I'm going to show you here. So,
Guess I'll stay a while.
okay, that's the first part. So after the okay, again, this is the beginning of the song, this little riff right here. Then you come up here, and I use my third finger. Slide it up. Okay. Okay, slowly. Take that little finger . Okay. Now the second part of that, after you are going into your lead here, it basically does it again. Except it goes up. So the first part is okay. Hope everybody got that. We'll do it again. Okay. Now that's the beginning of the lead part after the first lyrics, and we're going to now. I'm going to show you the back side of the lead here, but let's go over that again. Then it goes to this harmonic and a rundown. Now, it's just like that harmonic that was down here. We were doing it up here. So, again, up here, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so starting from the lead again to start. Do that one more time. Okay, so okay, now that's where we are. Okay. So after you're coming down here, again, down, up, down, up, down, up. So coming from here, okay, now we're going to be sliding up. And what that is, that's this finger here is on the second string, 4th fret. This finger here is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Okay. Now, coming down from here, now from here again it's 4th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret. This finger here is not doing anything. Now when you slide up the next one, this finger's on the this finger right here is on the 3rd string, 4th fret. Same thing, it only goes up from here to here. This one has a space in between it, the fret in between it. When you slide up, there is no fret in between, so you notice how I slide up, hit, slide up, hit. Okay, so again, starting from here. Okay. From that point, let's start from the beginning of the lead part after the first lyric. Then the next section, okay. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting through a lot right now. I'm going to go through the whole thing for you. So we do it in one session, and you can just come back to the video anytime you want and just learn certain sections of it until you can do the whole thing. So right now we're in the lead part. That's after I've sang that first lyric. And I'm going into the first lead. Okay, and then the last part to this first lead section is, it's almost like that one I just did. It's doing the same thing. So to go over that section again, the whole thing. This is the first part of the lead. The next lead part I'm going to show you is usually done by a different instrument like a mandolin or a fiddle. But I'm going to go into that in just a second. This is the guitar, the first lead guitar part. So. Okay, that's the first guitar part and the guitar lead, and usually it'll go into a mandolin or something, but since you're playing solo, I'm going to show you the lead part on the guitar that would be used by a mandolin or a fiddle. First section goes like this. I'm sorry. part. So slow if I can. One more time. Okay, and then the next section it goes. It's like a D chord. It's actually not in, or an E chord. We're actually not in E. I think it's an F. But so. Okay, I hope everybody got that. I'll go through it again. We're actually into the second instrument. This would be, like I say, a fiddle or a mandolin, but we're going to play it on guitar. Okay. Oops. That string is open. That second string is open. That's kind of a pull on. That's a pull on, pull on. Backward pull on. Okay, let's go over that one more time. Okay. So let's get to that. Let's get to that point for what I was showing you here. We're going into the guitar lead. Into the mandolin part. Okay, now that's where we're at. The last part is kind of like the first part. It starts off the same. Okay, so we're in the second part of, say, the mandolin or fiddle lead. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do it again. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to kind of do it fast here so I can kind of get my bearing. So. Okay. Try to do it as slow as I can. Okay, do it slowly again. See, that's a pull on. Okay. Notice I'm going right there. I'm skipping that middle fret. Okay, then when we get to that part, we go down. Then we use this kind of G lick that I'd shown in my video on G licks. You can look it up and see it, but it's a real simple G lick. Oops. Open. Second string, third fret. Open. Okay, let's go back. Then it goes into the second lyric. So let me just get to that whole part right there. After the first lyric,
train, I can hear your whistle blow, and I won't be jumping on again. Oh train, I know everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Now I do that. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. I'll go into that second lyric, and after the end of the second lyric, I'll go from. I showed that in my last Instruction in D video, how to use that. You can actually okay. So the second lyric. Oh train, I will miss you at the mile, and I miss the freedom that was mine. Oh train, when I think about those times, I smile as you're by-balling by. Oh train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. Scrape against the rail, they cry with every mile, and I guess I'll stay a while. Do that little run. After each lyric has that little run, that little G run. And then it goes back to the end of the song, right where you began. And that's the whole song. So I'm going to go over it real slow, the whole thing. And as you go through the video, just pick sections of the song that you want to learn. And if you just want to learn the beginning of it till you get it really tight, do that. And then maybe come back later and then learn that guitar lead part that I showed you until you get that. And then come back and learn the mandolin or the fiddle part that I'm playing on the guitar, and learn that. And then learn the end of the song, which is a lot like the beginning. And pretty soon you'll have the whole song down. So here we go with the whole song, slow. Oh train, I can hear your whistle blow, and I won't be jumping on again. Oh train, I know everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Oh train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear rusted wheels scrape against the rail, they cry with every mile, and I guess I'll stay a while. miss the freedom that was mine. Oh, train, when I think about those times, I smile as you're highballing by. Oh, train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear your rusty wheels scrape against the rail, they cry with every mile. And I guess I'll stay a while.
Well, there you go. A little instructional video on Tony Rice's song Old Train. Hope you get something out of it. Stick with it. It's kind of long, so if you want to learn it in sections, learn it in sections until you get it all down, and you can just you can play it like a demon. So I want to say that I appreciate you guys getting on my Bluegrass Barn page. If you can, get on there and like it. Leave me some comments if you will, and keep in mind all my instructional videos are free and for your enjoyment. So get out there, get your guitar out and get out in them jams and keep a picking.